What you are looking at right now is a skincare powerhouse that rivals some of the most expensive serums on the market. If you think you need chemicals or fillers to get tight, hydrated, glass skin, you have been misled. The secret actually lies in the unique chemistry of these three ancient seeds. When combined in the right ratio, they create a natural collagen booster that deeply hydrates and tightens the skin from the very first use. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to unlock the potency of these ingredients to create the ultimate natural face mask. Put down the expensive creams. Let's make this together. First, we have sesame. It's rich in zinc, which is the most important mineral for skin healing and collagen production. It gives your skin that bouncy feel. Next is fenugreek. These seeds are incredible for deep cleansing. They contain natural oils that help clear out pores and reduce redness or puffiness. Finally, flax seeds. These are famous for their high omega-3 content. They act as a natural skin tightener, helping to smooth out fine lines and lock in moisture. The yogurt base. We mix these with yogurt, which contains lactic acid, to gently dissolve dead skin cells, making sure the nutrients from the seeds actually sink in. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Put them into your grinder. You must grind them until they are a fine, flour-like powder. If the bits are too big, they won't release their oils. Empty the powder into a glass bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt, stir it well. Because these seeds, especially flax, absorb liquid, you might need to add a little more yogurt to get a creamy, spreadable paste.
Apply a thick layer to your face and neck. Use your fingertips to massage it in for 30 seconds to stimulate blood flow. Leave it on for 20 minutes. While you wait, the flaxseed creates a slight tightening sensation. That's how you know it's working. Wet your face first to soften the mask, then rinse with cool water. The ground seeds act as a very gentle scrub as you wash it off. For the best results, use this mask twice a week. Consistency is key with natural skincare. Never store this mask for more than 24 hours. The seeds start to oxidize once ground, and the yogurt can spoil. Make it fresh every time. I am so excited for you to try this 3-seed glow mask and see the results for yourself. My skin feels incredibly soft, and that tightness from the flax seeds is exactly what I look for in a natural treatment. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell right now so you never miss our weekly natural beauty secrets. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep making these deep dive tutorials for you. Also, I want to hear from you. Once you try this, come back to this video and leave a comment below, letting me know how your skin feels. Did you notice the glow right away? Do you have a favorite natural ingredient you want me to talk about next? I read every single comment.